Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Ford Ranger, stock number 6235. This ran from the 12th 2006 to the 6th 2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre 4 cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a WEAT 3 litre 4 cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, rear tailgate a couple of dents, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,